Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Tiffany, also known as Abigail Elizabeth. If you read any of my writing, welcome to the tribe. Welcome to the monthly Saturday mall hauls on Friday. So, not only do we have an amazing haul, I got some stuff to try on for you guys. I also got a package, but we'll open this a little bit later because I know that you guys want to see the haul. Let's get to it. So these are in no random order. These are in no random order. So I went to a store that is called, I cannot pronounce this, Anissa Boutique. Anissa Boutique, I think is what it's called. And I bought an undercap and a little journal. I think they are a Islamic-based company, and basically, this journal basically just says, "Today I'm grateful for," everything like that. And I also got a little green undercap because I had bought something from Queen Esther something. So I guess this is what it is. I don't know how it goes, but I don't know how this goes, but it's supposed to go something like this, and you're supposed to tie it. I guess, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I got it in green. But that's what I got from this store. Next, I went to Stonehenge, and I got a pen. I got a pen, a little amethyst pen. Bring it. Woo! Out. Got a little amethyst pen. And then I got a little journal too. A little journal. Should not be in there. I think this has the Eye of Horus or the Eye of Ra, whichever, on it. Okay. So that's what I got from that store. And the last store I went into, which I know you guys are dying to trying for me to do a try on, is called Fashion Mood. And I got two dresses, which I am going to try on here probably towards the end of the video. But I got this dress reminds me of Taylor Swift's The Life of a Showgirl. It is so pretty. And then I also got this beautiful little number. I think both of these remind me of, another Life of a Showgirl number. So I will try both of these on. Actually, I'm gonna try them on. I'll try them on in a moment. And everything, because I know you guys want to see that. So, but I also got Happy Mail from an artist. I think her name is Polly. She's based in Canada, so give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, so this is from Pastel Rossi. She and her name is Polly. She is an artist based in Canada. If I can find the website to all of these, it'll be in the description below, along with other ways you can support me and etc. of this channel. Okay, so I think that's just to protect it. So this is what we got. It says on the back, Happy Mail has arrived. And then it says here, you are strong, you are valued, you are empowering, you are a fighter, you are loved. Back. Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So I got, of course you guys know I had to get serpent tattoos. Oh my god! I love these. Oh my god, I love those. Okay, and got some little bees in here. And of course right here it says F Beauty Standards. Just says how to handle the tattoos and all of that stuff. Wow, I got some really, really good Happy Mail today. Wow, these are amazing. I love these. Thank you so much to Polly and everybody for this. Now I am going to try on, and of course y'all are wanting to see the dresses, so I'll be right back. So this just so happens to be one of the dresses. And it is totally giving the Life of a Showgirl vibes. This is Wendy, by the way. I love it. I love it, love it. Totally giving the Life of a Showgirl vibes. Pants for obvious reasons. Really fringy. Love the top, the jewels. Don't like the strap, but I can always cut those up. So pretty. Okay, this one might be my favorite. This is definitely giving Life of a Showgirl vibes. Both of these are in large, by the way. I think this, I don't know if you can zip it up or not. Looks like you can, but Life of a Showgirl vibes up in here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyway, that is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Plus some extra stuff that I got in through the mail. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.